YouTube. Hey YouTube, hope I didn't say that twice, but just in case, kind of still getting used to the camera, a little bit different, but go ahead and get started with a very cool thing. So I really enjoy making these videos. I'm doing it for you guys. So another cool thing that I'm going to be doing is giving away some stuff. This is it's going to be a one-time thing for one person. I've got some very cool giveaways that I'm going to be doing. This is what I have for the first one. Cool deck box, some scratchies, some packs, and a bunch of cards that I have, and a few other things that I'm not going to show you. But the way you enter for this is simple video response showing my, not necessarily showing, but you can talk about my 720 booster pack opening in a cool video response. If you do that, you'll be entered, and I'll do a drawing, and we'll see who wins, and I'll be sending you guys, or whoever the winner is, I'll be randomizing it, obviously, and they'll get this prize. I might come up with some other cool ideas. I will probably do a second and third place, so don't feel too shy if you want to go ahead and do that. Want to kind of try to bring the community a little bit closer, show everyone, what there's out there. So leave your comments, post your channels, all that stuff. Try to organize the community a little bit better, and I'd also like to, advertise my own videos, which would be pretty cool. So if you want to enter to win, make a video response, link it to this part 5, and I'll go ahead and take a look and enter you into the cool raffle. So without further ado, before we get off track, let's go ahead and get started with more Dragon Frontiers booster packs. And guys, if you haven't watched part 4, you need to go watch it. So make sure you watch part 4. That's all I've got to say. What an amazing part. So, start off with Nidorino, Togepi, Smoochum, Swablu, Pupitar, Trapinch, Ladybug, Pupitar Reverse, and a Heracross Hollow. Awesome. Very cool. Have not gotten that one yet, so. Alright, my first of the Latias packs. Gotta save a few of these for my collection because I love these packs. I use them for my binders. I put them right in the front of the binders. So here we go. We got Swellow, Rainbow Energy, Shelder, Larvitar, Ralts, Switch, Talo, Dewgong Reverse, and a Jinx. Very cool. I don't have that, so that's cool. Seadra, Swellow, Ekans, Swablu, Cyndaquil, Trapinch, Ladybug, TV Reporter Reverse, very cool, and a Holland Energy WP. Sorry about that, my mouth is getting a bit dry. I kind of went straight in from the last part, or straight into this part. It's kind of pretty excited to get the rest of these open, especially with what I got. Swellow, Copycat, Ekans, Swablu, Talo, Shelder, Natu, Dratini Reverse, and a Geo Holland Energy. That's cool. Don't have that yet. I've actually never heard of that one, so two. Alright, Old Rod. Hopefully that'll focus. Kind of lost my spot. There we go. Flappy, Trapinch, Ladybug, Talo, Cyndaquil, Nidoran, Dewgong Rare Reverse, and a Feraligatr. Very nice. It's a good Feraligatr, that's for sure. Electabuzz. Oops, sorry about that. Focus, buddy. Island Hermit. Natu. Pupitar. Cyndaquil. Totodile. Smoochum. Bagon Reverse. And a Vibrava. I'm actually going to go ahead and move my camera a little bit down. Just one off where it was before. Trying to make it a little bit easier for me and you guys to see the cards. One of these days I'll get it right. That works. Very cool. Vibrava, Shelgon, Ekans, Swablu, Cyndaquil, Trapinch, Ladybug, Ekans Reverse, and a Holland Energy WP. Alright, last Tyranitar pack. Completely messed that pack up. Who knows, maybe something good will be in it. One would hope. Alright, Professor Oak's Research. Smeargle. Trapinch. Ladybug. Taylor. Cyndaquil. Nidoran. Bayleaf Reverse. Ooh, nice. Melodic. Awesome. That is a very cool card. Forgot that this was in this set. Wicked. So on to my favorite pack design of these. Gotta save a few more. Ooh, 1, 2. Alright, Holland Energy. Shelgon. Feebas. Woopert. Trapinch. Pupitar. Swablu. Horsey Reverse. And an Arbok. Gotten a few of those already. That was to be expected. 2. Boost Energy. Electabuzz. Smoochum. Seal. Pupitar. Nidoran. Mareep. Cloyster Reverse. That's an interesting card. And a Xatu. Awesome. Don't have that yet. I think the only thing I'm worried about now is the end of this when I'm done. It's going to take me weeks to organize these, that's for sure. But I am definitely having fun while I'm doing this. Alright, Flaffy. Curlia. Electabuzz. Or Elekid, sorry about that. Ralts. Ekans. Chikorita. Vulpix. Switch Reverse. And a Seadra. Would be pretty cool if I got another gold star in these. That would be awesome. Flaffy. Vibrava. Tailo. Nidoran. Cyndaquil. Larvitar. Ralts. TV Reporter. Ooh, Xatu. Every time I see black for a rare, man, I think of that Charizard. The cool thing about these is when you're actually opening these packs and you're doing the trick and everything and you're looking at the back, you can actually tell if you have a holo or if you have a rare, but you can't rule out a gold star because the gold stars don't have that back to it. Scramble Energy, that gives it away that it's a gold star. Shelgon, Larvitar, Ladybug, Ekans, Swablu, Tailo, another TV Reporter Reverse, that's like the third one, and very cool, a Latias EX. Wow. That is an awesome EX card, look at that. Very cool. I did really well on these packs for holos, EXs, and gold stars. I mean, way more than average that you would get on a regular box. Togepi, Holland Legacy, Elekid, Trapinch, Smoochum, Seal, Pupitar, Chikorita. Ooh, and nice, a Ladian, very cool card. Island Hermit, Curlia, Mareep, Elekid, Larvitar, Woopert, Smoochum, Dragonair Reverse, and a Gligar. Got 4 packs left. Very cool. Two. Rainbow Energy. Whoopsies. Crocodile. Larvitar. Cyndaquil. Feebas. Woopert. Trapinch. Mr. Stone's Project. And a Jinx. Alright. Hope there's something good in this. Been a few packs. Let's get something nice. Seadra. Professor Elm's Training Method. Larvitar. Ralts. Natu. Dratini. Totodile. Feebas Reverse. And a Tropius. Very cool. I do not have that, so wicked. Alright, last 2 packs, guys. Nice, I was able to save this one. 2. Alright. Swallow. Holland Mentor. Don't think I pulled that. Vulpix. Feebas. Switch. Bagon. Elekid. Nidoran Reverse. And another Xatu. Alright guys, last pack. See what we get. Mr. Stone's Project, Flappy, Trapinch, Chikorita, Mareep, Seal, Shelder, Mareep Reverse, and a Holland Energy WP. So not too great right there last few packs, but still got this. That's always killer. And I got Latias EX, and a bunch of holos. So let's see, what did I get? 8 holos, and 4 /EX /gold stars. So pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, those are pretty good pulls. I mean, just the Charizard alone, man, makes up for everything. So pretty average pulls, but I got my gold star that I was wanting, and hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and if you want, do a video response, and stay tuned for the next part, guys.